If your results are inconsistent, it might not be the market. It might be you. Because the truth is, most traders don't stick with anything long enough to get good. Welcome to Derailed, the 7-part series where we unpack the 14 reasons investors quit before they ever see a win. In each episode, we're tackling 2 of these critical mistakes. This is part 4, and now, to help you prepare and to steer you clear of the cracks so many others have fallen into, here's your host, Patrick Walker.
Hey everyone, Pat Walker here from Mission Winners, and welcome back to our series. We're already on episode 4, and we've covered some serious ground so far. We started this journey by talking about the foundational mistakes, things like chasing stocks that have already left the station and throwing good money after bad by averaging down. Then last time we dug into 2 of the biggest hurdles that trip up almost every trader: ignoring proper risk management, and the flip side, getting scared out of your biggest winners way too early. I'm making this series because I've seen it happen for decades. Good, smart people get into trading, but they get knocked off track by these common habits. It's usually not one big mistake that takes them out, but a series of small ones that chip away at their confidence and their capital. My goal here is to shine a light on these traps, these derailments, so you can see them coming and stay on the path. Today we're tackling 2 derailments that often go hand in hand. They're a little more subtle, but they are absolutely brutal on a trader's mindset. We're going to talk about strategy hopping and confirmation chasing. So let's start with derailment number 7, strategy hopping. I've seen this derail more people than almost anything else. It's brutal. You get started, you learn a method, but after a few trades don't work out, you get frustrated and start looking for a new magic bullet. You're constantly chasing new tools, new chart setups, anything that promises faster, easier results. You jump from one newsletter to the next, and all it does is cause you to lose focus. Here's the truth I've learned over 30+ years in the market. You have to focus on what you know works. At Mission Winners, we teach a simple, straightforward strategy based on concepts I've used for decades. We look for great companies in leading groups, and we wait for them to form a clean and simple chart pattern, like a flat base that a 4th grader could see. We want to see it break out of that base on a big volume pickup. That's it. It's not fancy, but it works. You can't build real lasting success if you're constantly changing your approach. You have to commit. Now for derailment number 8, confirmation chasing. This is what happens when fear takes over. You see a perfect setup, but you hesitate. You tell yourself, I'll wait for this indicator to turn up, or I'll wait to see if the market holds. The next thing you know, the stock is up 10% and has left you behind. Most traders think more confirmation equals more safety, but it really means you have less edge. The best lowest risk entries happen just as the stock is beginning its move, not after everyone else has already piled in. We don't need a bunch of fancy indicators like stochastics or RSI to make a decision. All we need is price and volume action to guide us. When you see a stock push through a key pivot point on a big increase in volume, that is the confirmation. The institutions are voting with their pocketbooks. Remember, nothing works 100% of the time. Even a perfect setup can fail. That's why we always have rules to limit our losses. But you can't be afraid to take your shot when your setup appears. If you wait for a guarantee, you will miss the best opportunities every single time. These 2 derailments are a vicious cycle. You hop strategies because you think they aren't working, but they never had a chance because you were too busy looking for extra confirmation to ever take a clean signal. Don't overcomplicate this. Pick a proven method, train your eyes to see the patterns, and learn to execute cleanly. That's what we do at Mission Winners. And if you're learning with us, stick with it. We're just getting started. If you found this helpful, give it a like and subscribe to the channel. I'll see you in the next episode.